Lighting is not just a product. Lighting is the beginning of life on Earth. With over 2 decades of experience, Tronics, born from knowledge and technology, is building the bright future of the lighting industry. At Tronics, we don't just manufacture. We create what tomorrow will need. From design to production, everything flows within one precise ecosystem. At Tronics, every idea follows a clear, illuminated path. All processes under one roof, with one goal: preserving lasting quality. Our light doesn't just shine in laboratories. It flows through cities. It breathes on production lines. It creates safety in healthcare spaces. Tronics is a partner in projects that demand true illumination. National certifications, industrial-scale projects, and the trust of major brands have made us one of the country's leading manufacturers. Tronics, a light beyond lighting. For a future that is inspiring, sustainable, and green. Together, we build the future.